If you're someone that loves soccer or a sports documentary or just a feel-good story in general, then I encourage you to check out Hulu's Welcome to Wrexham. Now, you may have heard of Wrexham because Ryan Reynolds and Rob McElhenney bought a team. This is a Welsh soccer team, and they are the owners of it for just a few years at this point, and they're trying to transform it and have it become a really vibrant team. Now, the reason that they bought this team is because it's very much ingrained within the community, right? Like a lot of teams end up being. And when the team succeeds, so does the town, right? And this docuseries follows that journey of them purchasing this team and trying to, raise it up. It's the first season. It's 18 episodes. The episodes range anywhere between like 20 minutes to almost an hour, depending on the episodes. And they really tackle a wide variety of topics. They really showcase the full length and breadth of the town, the soccer team, what's needed to try to get them, out of the situation that they're in. And, sometimes they succeed, sometimes they don't. And how do they grapple with that, right? And it's really, really phenomenal, really well done. As I said, as a soccer fan and a fan of like feel-good stories, this is really something special because it's real. Like if you love Ted Lasso, this is like the life version of Ted Lasso, except you can't script it, so it doesn't always go the way one hopes, right? And that's a big, big part of it. So, if any of that sounds of interest, then check out Welcome to Wrexham. It is on Hulu. The full season 1 is available. So check it out. And when you do, let me know what you think.